Elie Abou Zeid. My pronouns are he, him. I am in the Technology Innovation Management program. My master's degree is Applied Business Analytics, which is basically, so the TIM program itself is about how to leverage new technology in today's market and how to solve managerial problems using this technology. And my master's degree is specifically about business analytics with these new technologies. So I chose Prod for many reasons. First of all, the Technology Innovation Management webpage intrigued me very much because it's where I wanted to go. I'm very interested in how to, like, the data analysis field in general, the business analytics field, just using technology in an innovative way and staying ahead of the curve in today's market is something that I always look for. And I always felt this entrepreneurial aspect in me, and I thought, okay, so this ticks all my boxes, and I decided to go for it, and I got accepted. Thanks. My project is about reducing the error rate when it comes to the package handling of Canada Post without having to replace any worker. And the idea is that I use off-the-shelf technology to solve a multi-million-dollar problem that Canada Post had. So they had a 5% error rate, and thanks to my prototype, it got reduced to a 2% error rate. And that is by using a text recognition AI, followed by a large language model like ChatGPT. And they would basically work hand in hand to read the labels from the package, correct it, and then produce the corrected result as to where that package needs to be sorted to be able to arrive to people's houses easily. And that would reduce the error rate from a 350 million packages incorrectly processed per year to a 140 million packages incorrectly processed packages per year. I was part of the Graduate Student Association in Carleton. I was the elected president of my of this year. My term just ended, actually. It was a very interesting. It was a very interesting thing. I had to advocate for the graduate students in Carleton. I had to do it in a local way, like inside of university, inside of Ottawa, and then in a national scale as well. I had to communicate with different departments in Carleton. I would go on meetings with the Canadian Federation of Students to discuss with other universities and see what problems they face and get ideas from them, how we can help students in Carleton, and we'll discuss with different ministers and of parliament about the issues our students faced. It was an experience. It was a really good experience, and I took it sort of like volunteer work, and it taught me a lot. It's a great community. So my time at the TIM program was very good. We would all hang out at the 5th floor TIM program lobby to work together. The professors were very approachable. The students are all very kind, and everyone is here to make a change. So everyone has this go-getter mindset, and it was a great experience. It was a great experience. There's no other word to say.